Right, so I've plugged the TriStar, our little fridge we got in, I think it was Spain, wasn't it? Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, Spain. It consumes roughly around about 50 watts, maybe less, 40, 45. And then I've got the Aferiy here next to it. And we're going to run this now until the Aferiy's flattened, and we'll see how long it'll last. Okay, checking in. It's on 93%, which means it's used 7%, and it's been on for 7 hours. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty pleased about that. Keeping my beer nice and cool. And I'll check in again later. Right, so you can see it's draining 47 watts. Okay, you can now see that it's at 59%, and it's been on well, 40 hours, and that's pretty good. Okay, so day 3, been on 3 days now, and it's still got 30% left, and 34 hours, so could make the 4 days non-stop. Right, so here we are, last day, day 4, 4 days, and we have 88 minutes left of power and 1%. So it's great. It's lasted 4 days, and that's great for me because it means you can go away and use a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And if I use the phones and laptop, I think we can get away with a couple of days. But the other thing is we've got solar power, so this is going to recharge a lot of it anyway. But in this experiment was to see how long this battery would last, and it is basically 4 days, and it's got 88 minutes left. So that's good to know. A good result. Thanks for watching. See you again.